That's cool. I've got a funky tripod and I can control it with my hands, and that's really fun. So just like this, right?
I mean, it was. Hey guys.
Fuck boy! Hey, there's a funky garden around there with like frogs or something around there. Let's look at that. Oh, they're ostriches! Looks like that. Update, we are about to leave Leuven. This is fun, been here 2 days. We did not wake up early enough to go see the Botanical Gardens, it's very sad, because that had turtles, which would have been awesome. But we were tired, so oh well. So yeah, we're just chilling in the town centre here. Yeah. Wow, so pretty. Waiting for our train. Yeah. Off to Amsterdam next. Wow. What up? We are in Amsterdam. Pretty cool. It's really gay here, which is fun. Woo, liberals.
We love the gays.
Yeah, we just and yeah, I might not film a whole lot here because there was a big sign saying paper pockets around, and I'm scared.
I mean, it's probably safer in your hand actually.
Maybe.
It's like, you know, you have it.
Yeah, but yeah, try and film some fun stuff. And we're looking for a good place to stick our sticker today.
I mean, we have tomorrow as well.
This is true. But yeah, look up. Wild. The bike apocalypse.
The fucking bike hellscape that's here. I mean, it's cool because not everyone is using cars, but Jesus.
That's wild. Wild stuff like that. It's just kind of there.
Oh, this sound is to the right.
That's crazy.
Hey guys, we found the door to Narnia, so now you're not gonna see us for the next 10
Fucking Narnia, bro. No. Day 4, and James still is yet to get a belt. Incredible. We are at the end of day 4, 5? Well, close enough, and we are heading out to get Burger King because we have realized we like having money.
Yeah, it's there. It's in the corner. Zoom.
That is where we will be eating tonight.
So.
We lied, we got Fat Phil's instead, which was sick actually. It's like Burger King but better and really cool, and the milkshakes were cool.
It was like a burger joint.
But better.
But better.
But yeah, so now we are going back to our hotel, and it's probably it for the day for us. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Still in Amsterdam, and I am on my way to Aldi's to get some dinner tonight. Yeah, it is raining currently, which isn't what you want, but oh well, weather's nice so far, so I guess we would choose some. Yeah. What up? Day 2 in Amsterdam. I got these sick glasses. We just came out of Ripley's Believe It or Not, which is pretty funky. It's like Guinness World Records, but like a museum. And we just stumbled across this like epic pride parade. That shit wild.
We support the gay.
We love the gays.
Hey.
Flowers are wild.
Murky though, which is unfortunate.
Mate, the canals here are so cool. So wide. The city just being so close to the water is like hype as hell. I don't know. Maybe, might be favorite place we've gone so far. Maybe it's just the roasted minty glasses though, I don't know. Lunch pops off.
Have a look. Ready? Yeah, go. We shit posting NSFW because we're in the red light district.
Hey, this is last day in Amsterdam. We're currently waiting around for like an hour before we get on our longest train yet, which is 6 hours. Which will be fun. So I don't know how much content we will be getting off that. Maybe a training montage here. Who knows? But yeah, I'll try and film what I can, and then you'll see when we get to Hamburg. What is up, guys? We are in Copenhagen. It's been a bit since the last clip because first we got to Hamburg and it was a long old train, so we were kind of tired. Just didn't film much there. And then we had an even longer train from Hamburg all the way up here to Copenhagen.
Hello.
So that's fun. But yeah, staying here for a while. Hopefully, a bunch of fun stuff ahead. Yeah, which you'll hopefully see.
Hopefully you're gonna see the parkour stuff.
Now!
Now!
Checked out a little, and it's a bit wet. Where's that holiday weather at?
Nowhere to be found. Only British. birthday sticker. Perfect. Hidden away from anybody. Hello.
Hey up gang, it is day 11 and we are just about to leave Copenhagen, which is fun. It is 11 AM roundabout and we are being kicked out of our Airbnb. But our next train is at, when is that, James?
About that, it's at about 1:30 AM.
Yeah. So we need to find something to do with ourselves for kind of just the whole day. Yeah. So that'll be fun. If we do anything interesting, I'll be sure to make sure you guys see it. But, you know, until then, I've got a giraffe hat. Look at him. Wild little lad. Isn't he crazy? That's wild. Yo, here we are at this cooler we found on our way to The Little Mermaid. It's pretty cool. Yeah. How are we feeling, James?
Tired.
Real.
Yo, I don't know how we're gonna live until 1 AM is all I'm saying.
Yes. Today we are. I've said this already in a different clip, didn't I?
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
So.
Long day today, but we're gonna try and fill it with a decent amount of stuff. What's that over there? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, and we do anything else cool. You'll see. Little Mermaid. That's a little James.
Huh?
No.
Stop.
The Crow Whisperer.
How you doing then?
What's his name?
Oh, what about Derek?
It's Derek.
Derek exists.
Derek, say hi. Decisions have been made.
Bad decisions have been made.
But they're cool decisions though, so
Have La Man. And we have missed out on some locations, so we're gonna speedrun our tour. Right. Plymouth, Southampton, Lille. Then we went Leuven, Brussels, Amsterdam, Hamburg, and finally, where we are currently, Copenhagen. Whoopee!
it is almost 1 AM. We're about to take our first train today. Be like 3 or 4 more after this. Should be fun. And we are on our way to Prague. Arrived in Prague.
Hello there, comrade.
After a long train and bus journey,
Because one of our trains got overfilled and overcrowded, so we needed to go on a different bus from Berlin to Prague.
yeah, so what was that? 16 hours?
About 16 to 17 hours, yeah.
Which is fun. But we're here now. Woo. Hey up. We just went to a pool. It was
We're
cool.
moist. We're a bit moist
A
now.
little bit wet. It was cool. Better than I expected, actually.
Oh, you should
Yeah.
have seen him try and walk. He stumbled, he fumbled, he couldn't walk.
Listen, okay, me and the water, we got beef. We're not friends, but it's alright. Yeah.
Oh, you can't see it properly. It says, why can't you let me harvest your organs for drugs? Anyways, we are now in Prague. Ka-chow.
Pause just a second. Whoa! Editing coming here again. Sorry it took so long for this to come out. If you couldn't tell, I've moved into uni, which is, you know, a big thing. So I haven't had a whole lot of time for video editing, and also I'm lazy. So yeah. But every time I do this, it's really fun. And I hope you have enjoyed. I can't say how long it'll be until the next one, but you know, hopefully less time than between the first and now. And yeah. See you in what might be the last part of shit posting around Europe.